FreeBSD reviews, tutorials and gaming.
Before we start, if this is your first time to the channel and you would like to learn more about FreeBSD and the journey to a better desktop and server, then please hit subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out. If I do a package info on PwGen, it will bring up all the information of when it was made and who made it. And you can see it was written by, and I forgive me for the pronunciation, Theodore Zo, and it's extremely small, or only about 50k, 50.9k flat size, so it's tiny. But it actually produces some really nice results, which we'll see in a minute. And it's licensed on the GPL version 2. To see what the list of possible switches are, as with most programs, just do PwGen --help, and it brings up a whole host of different options. Not too many, but loads of sensible ones. Say for instance, -C, or capitalize. It includes at least one capital letter in the password. Another one is numerals, at least one numeral in the password. Symbols. Secure, so generate completely random passwords. And the one that would interest me is printer in columns. So that's not too bad. They're just the main ones that we'll be using. And for clarity, what we'll do is we'll actually use the full names. I know you can do, -C, -N stuff, but what we're going to do is use the double hyphen just to let you know what's going on. So if you put PwGen, so it's capitalize, you want some capital letters, at least one. You want numerals, at least one number in it. Symbols, so you want some random generated symbols. You want secure, so it's completely random. And C, so it prints it in a column, as we said earlier. And oh no, it's not 26. We'll try 16. I like 16 character passwords. And there you go. So you've got a good spread, 4 columns of completely random gobbledygook passwords, which really will be almost impossible to crack. I'm not saying it's impossible, but almost impossible. It would take someone a long time, very determined with lots of hardware, to try and guess what it is. And there are many websites which say you must have at least one special character, one uppercase, and one numeral. So for many websites, this password format would actually be quite sufficient. To see what the password would look like if you just go with the defaults, that's no options. I'm just going to put PwGen, and there you go. Nice and neat, nice and clean. Of course, it's not as secure as it could be using special characters and larger numbers, but that's what it looks like on the default. Not too bad. So just to show you one more time, using the shorthand version rather than the full words, and it's exactly as the one we did before the default. And there you go. Not too bad. And remember, always use a good strength password in all your websites, because you never can be sure. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that like button. And to make sure you don't miss out, please consider subscribing, as this really helps me help you.